Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your schedule for a post on LinkedIn. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my phone, so this is a phone tutorial and I'm going to walk you through the steps very easily. So all you have to do is click on the post icon on the bottom of your phone that's in the middle. Click the post, click the schedule icon towards the upper right hand side right next to post, and from here on the upper right hand side again click and view all. That's going to take you to over where you have all of your scheduled posts. Now, in order to modify the date of your scheduled post, simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side and click and modify schedule. Once you tap on that, you are able to change the schedule. So let's say I don't want this to be 9 p.m., but instead I want to change it to 9 a.m. You tap on the time section and change it to 9 a.m. Then click on OK. Let's say I don't want it to be on the 28th, but I want it to be on the 30th of June. I can tap on the date and click on OK. Then click on Next, and you will see that it now gives me the option to put it in schedule again. So just tap the schedule button on the upper right hand side, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.